All right, welcome my dear students. In this course here, I'm going to show you how to build a complete e-commerce store. All right, this is going to be a really cool store. It's going to be very flexible. You're going to be able to link it to PayPal so that way you can process payments. And we're going to have an awesome shopping cart. Let me give you an introduction to it. Let me give you a little tour. All right, so we got some images here being displayed dynamically. This is a feature we got inside the admin. All right, now we have the products right here. I can add the products and you can see it right here in the checkout page. We can decrement the product quantity. All right, and we can go to PayPal when we click buy now. This is going to take us straight to PayPal and we're going to be able to purchase this product. We're going to have the quantity, the item number, and the item price, and the total of the item. But look, one of the best things is that we can go back and we can add another product to it. And when we click buy now, all right, it's going to take that product also to PayPal. So it's going to take multiple products and multiple quantities and prices to PayPal and add all of it up right here. All right, it's going to be an amazing shopping cart. You're going to love it. Very flexible, very cool. All right, so another great feature is, I'll show you right now, besides that we can go to each individual product, see the description, we can add from here if we wanted to, depending on the category that the product is on, we can see the product right here. We can even add it from here if we wanted to. We have a contact page. I'm going to show you how to use the native mail function with PHP. What else? We're gonna be able to log into our system. I'm gonna show you a really easy way to log into our system. All right, we're gonna have an admin here. We'll add up some features in the extra features for admin. We're gonna have orders. All right, these are the orders that are coming from PayPal, and they're gonna be right here. They're gonna be saved here so you can see it. We're gonna have reports of which products are selling. We're gonna be able to delete them, of course, get a nice message when we do that. We can view the products here and we can edit them, edit the price, edit the quantity, the picture, all right, description, update them, and we can add more different fields like maybe free shipping or different quantity for shipping. I mean, we can do a lot of things with this e-commerce site. All right, we can add the product right here. We got categories. All right, we can make really fast categories. See that? Delete them, of course. Users. All right, and the banners feature here. All right, so basically here we'll go in and we'll upload an image. All right, and we'll put a title. If we try to click submit without a title, it won't allow us to do that. So we need to put some type of title there, and this is a feature that we actually build into it. Blue slide, right? Submit it. Beautiful, right? So you see the blue slide picture right here, right? Actually, let's go ahead and do that right now. There we go. It's gonna be a blue slide. So we can go ahead and choose a yellow one, for example. Write something here and it will be here. So the last slide will always be the first one in the slider. So if I go to homepage, you can see that this slider is the first one, this slide right here, and then it will loop through the rest. But one of the best features is that we can limit how many slides it can actually go through or loop through. All right, that's a feature that we add. All right, so this is gonna be pretty cool. Another cool feature is that we can delete them when we click on it, as you can see right here. All right, and we get a nice message there. All right, so this is gonna be a system that is gonna be pretty flexible. The code is gonna be different than the code that I showed you in the PHP for beginners. For those of you that took my other course, all right, it's gonna be more organized. I'm gonna show you new tricks. I'm going to show you the payment processing, which is a really cool feature, and everything's just gonna be more function based in this course. You're gonna love it. All right, so let's just log out. And now we can go to checkout and there is nothing there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this presentation. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this course, and I'll see you inside. Take care.